Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example I will show you how to reduce fan during the calls. So let's begin. Alright, so this useful feature you can find here by using the car icon and then scroll down to choose here Bluetooth. As you can see here we've got the Bluetooth settings. Let's choose here the following feature: reduce fan during calls. Let me enable this. So as you can see, this feature is enabled, but climate must be set to auto. Settings will be restored when call ends. So if you would like to use it, of course you need to turn on your air conditioning right here. Let's tap it one more time, and right now I'm in auto, so I can use this feature, but if I will be using the manual air conditioning, it won't work. So let's be aware of this. In my case, let me switch to the auto, and now I can use this amazing feature. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.